Imagine a world where lost memories, your childhood, your loved ones, your entire identity can be restored with a tiny brain implant. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, scientists in Sweden just made it a reality. But there's a catch, only the wealthy can access it. Welcome back to the Biologic Health channel. Today we're exploring Sweden's groundbreaking new brain implant that restores memories in dementia patients and the ethical crisis it may create. Number 1. What this implant actually does. Neuroscientists at the Karolinska Institute in Stockholm have developed a wireless brain-computer implant smaller than a grain of rice. This tiny device sits inside the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for forming and retrieving memories. In clinical trials, an incredible 64% of dementia patients regained access to lost memories, including recognizing family members and recalling decades-old life events. This isn't slowing dementia. This is reactivating dormant neural pathways to bring memories back. Number 2. How it works. The implant maps each patient's unique brain activity patterns. Then, using microelectrical pulses, it reactivates memories that were stored but inaccessible, almost like unlocking a hidden folder in your brain. Medications can't do this. Therapy can't do this. This is a true memory restoration breakthrough. The surgical procedure takes about 2 hours, followed by weeks of personalized programming. Number 3. The dark side. Only the rich can restore their memories. Here's the problem. The procedure costs 890,000 Swedish kronor, around $86,000. And because Sweden classifies it as quality of life enhancement instead of a medical necessity, patients must pay the full amount out of pocket. That means only wealthy Swedes, medical tourists, and celebrities have received this life-changing treatment. This raises a disturbing question. Are we entering a future where memory becomes a luxury product? As dementia rates grow globally, will the world be divided into 2 groups? Those who can keep their identity and those who fade away simply because they cannot afford treatment. Number 4. The ethical storm ahead. This technology proves something extraordinary. Restoring memory is now scientifically possible, but unless healthcare systems classify this as essential treatment, millions of families may never experience the relief of recognition from loved ones. Should memory be a human right or a privilege for the wealthy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.